Students, is this you? Another paper to write, but stuck for ideas? Worried you don't have the writing chops required to communicate your knowledge? Struggling to make your unique voice heard within the confines of the academic genre? You are not alone.
That disembodied voice is right. We are not alone. Hi, I'm Lisa, a student of the MAIS Writing and New Media program at Athabasca University. And it's true, writers of all levels, from undergrads to professional scholars, often feel intimidated by the writing process for a variety of reasons. Linguist Roz Ivanek says, "Writing does not just convey information, it also conveys something about the writer." Yikes, that's a lot of pressure. We want to convey ourselves as knowledgeable and scholarly while we communicate in the academic genre. Meanwhile, we have other factors in our lives that influence our writer identities. These influences include being new to your field of study, not writing maybe in your first language, uncertainty with writing mechanics, returning to university as a mature student, life's endless responsibilities, social and economic factors, and more. Athabasca University's Writing Support Center, RightSite, offers coaching, webinars, and many other resources to support students through their research and writing journeys. Let's see what the RightSite coaches have to say.
One central fear with academic writing is how entwined it is with grades, GPAs, and instructor feedback. If a student performs poorly on an essay, they see that manifest in a quantifiable grade, and in the language of feedback, it can make academic writing high stakes, intimidating, and fearful. As a result, students may feel like they have to cater their ideas to the instructor's interests to gain the grade they desire. Changing this emphasis is hard to do, especially when so much depends on our grades, like gaining admission to other programs and securing funding. But one way to balance these fears is through cultivating confidence in one's writing, which means finding ways to positively engage in the writing process.
Positively engage in the writing process? But how?
I want to encourage students to make the purpose of academic writing for themselves. If you're getting bogged down in concerns about grades and performance and pleasing your reader, it may be a good time to step back and look at the big picture. In 5 years, what will matter most? You may not even remember the paper you're currently writing, but I'll give you a tip for how to make it memorable. Write it for yourself. Look for what in the course or topic really speaks to you and dig deep into that. Propose a different topic to your instructor if none of those provided are significant to you. Then you get to explore, learn, and make a statement about something that truly matters to you. Can you apply it to your work or your life in some way? Maybe it has some personal meaning to you. Or maybe you've just had a long-standing interest in it. Use your writing as an opportunity to immerse yourself in what you care about. And write yourself a message for the future. The main idea you learned that makes a difference in your life. That way, you can not only look back and remember, but you can walk away just a little bit changed, and changed in a way that's meaningful to you.